Hi guys, I hope you're well. If you don't know who I am, my name is Thomas Blakemore and I'm a teacher here in Dubai. In today's video, I'm continuing the journey of trying to bring you guys as many useful tools to support learning as possible. I'm showing you a fantastic reading tool that can really support learners, whether it's online or in the classroom. At the moment, I'm struggling to try and find ways to support a group of children with the reading, so I've found a fantastic resource that can really support children with reading, and I hope to show you guys that. It's called Immersive Reader. If you've not seen it before, then this video will be fantastic for you, and hopefully you'll be able to try it with your children to support their reading. So let's have a look at what this resource is like, and I will show you how to use it fully. If this sounds a little bit tinny, it's because I need to play back through my laptop and record through my laptop. Otherwise, you won't be able to hear the playback properly. So I want to show you how phenomenal this resource is and then show you how to access it. So it starts off with going to go View and then Immersive Reader. And you'll see that whatever I had before now starts to open in this really nice, slightly yellow color. If I press play,
orangutans are red-haired apes that live in the tropical rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo in Southeast Asia.
Now, it will just continue going on with the text for as long as possible. Now, there are so many amazing features available in Immersive Reader, and I'm going to get through all of them during this video, so make sure that you stay tuned. So, OneNote is available on a range of different devices. You've got MacBook, iPad, Windows is the main one, and we're going to look at how I'm using it on Mac, but this is pretty much the same on every single device. So first thing you're going to need to do is sign up and download OneNote. So it's really simple through this system, and I don't want to spend too long on that, but you'll just need to download OneNote. Afterwards, you'll find it here or within your Launchpad. So then here, we'll click off our Immersive Reader, and what you'll need to do is log in as I have done here. So to start off with, I was a little bit confused on how to add text into the notebook. Now, when I was clicking on add section, I couldn't do that. I couldn't add pages. So you actually need to tap notebooks first and then add notebook. You can see that I've already added one before, but for the purpose of this, I'm going to tap new. And then it's pretty straightforward. You need to give it a title. So I'm just going to call it example, and really doesn't matter about cover. Once you've done that, you just need to tap create, and that will open up for you. So then here, you can type a range of different things. I could write something that I want the children to read, or you can teach the children to copy and paste things in, and that way it will read it for them. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to continue with my small obsession for orangutans, and I'm going to just copy and paste this part here. So Control C, and then back onto OneNote, Control V. And you can see that's being pasted in there. And I'm going to tap Immersive Reader. Now you can see we've got the next few tips all the way across here. And just by pressing play,
Orangutans spend most of their time up in the trees, where they use their long, strong arms and hook-shaped hands to climb.
And straight away it reads them back. So when we look at the voice settings, you can choose whether you want them to read back really fast.
They sleep in meeting nest high off the ground, where it's harder for hungry enemies.
Which is a little bit fast, or for those children who have slower processing skills, you can actually go quite slowly.
Such as leopards and other big cats, to get them.
But it does really exaggerate some of the words. We've also got male or female options too. Where things get really powerful is this option up here, where we start to look at the text preferences, drag this across, and you can look at size. So if children really struggle to read and they have sort of visual impairments, you can help them with that. You can change it to different colors. That's good for dyslexia. Gray too. And you can also then come to the grammar options. Now, this is really powerful for those word class lessons. So it doesn't just have to be for those children who struggle with reading. It can also be just as part of a word class lesson. So you can give them, for example, a specific paragraph from the book and say, right, identify the nouns, adjectives, verbs, and then give them something like this where they can go back and self-assess. So the child has looked at all the nouns. Did I get all the nouns correct? Oh, well, I didn't actually realize that diet was a noun. So then the child could come back and self-assess. If you add the labels too, then those give the little prompts above, and you can see all of those words are shown there. And then you can obviously have those discussions about, well, what's but? What type of word is but? What type of word is in? Is it a preposition? Do you know? You can go through those in more detail. If you're looking at polysyllabic words, it's a big word, then you can look at this and identify the different syllables within the word. Now, this is my favorite part, and this is why I've saved it until last. You've got the reading preferences. Now, if you want children to just have a look at one line at a time, and you think that might be supportive, then you can do that by clicking that, a smaller section, and then you've got that there. Now, at the moment, I've got Picture Dictionary turned on, and this is really fantastic for if you want to pick specific words. Oh, that's what leaves are. What's fruit? Oh, okay, that's what fruit is. So what's cat? Okay, so then children start to build up that picture of different words. This is fantastic for children who are new to English, or English as an additional language, English language learner, whatever you call it, whatever the acronym is in your school. Then you've got this translation part. Now, this is fantastic for those children, again, who have English as a new language. You can translate it directly to a specific language. So if I go for something that I slightly understand, I mean, I'm not fluent at all. I hardly speak Spanish, but hey ho. And I go per document, then you can see it's changed the whole document into Spanish. And when I click play,
Los orangutanes pasan la mayor parte de su tiempo en los árboles, donde usan sus brazos largos y...
There's a slightly different voice, and it's read back in their language. So, in addition, if you just want to go by word and have it Spanish, then you've got a really powerful feature. So let's say we go to this part here, and we want to try and understand other words.
Female orangutans give birth about once every 8 years. Infants stay with their mother for 6 to 7 years, until they've learned the necessary skills to survive on their own.
Oh, I didn't quite understand the word necessary. What would that be in Spanish? So you click on the word and you can see the translation comes up there. And of course, for some words too, like infants, we also have that picture dictionary. So you can see that this is a really powerful tool to support those children too. And that basically rounds it up. And I'm sure there are so many creative ideas that you guys will have. If you've got any creative ideas, I want you to tell me them in the comments. Show me and tell me how you are going to use this with your class. I want to build up a community of teachers where we can really support each other. So as you can see, Immersive Reader is a phenomenal free resource to support your children with reading. Hopefully this video has shown you how to use it and how to improve children's learning using the tool. If you found this video useful, please take the time to like it. It's always really appreciated. I have some more EdTech videos that you can see within my channel, so click into it to go and see those. At the same time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel to see future content around educational technology. Hopefully I will see you in the next one, guys, but until the next time, I'm out.